Apple released the public beta version of iOS 18 this week. It's a sign that we're one step closer to the expected fall launch of the iPhone 16. Apple previewed iOS 18 at its Worldwide Developers Conference in June, and this week's release of the public beta has us wondering what additional goodies the next iPhone will bring. Besides Apple Intelligence, we've heard whispers about the iPhone 16's features, which are said to span from a new power-efficient display to larger screens, better zoom lenses, an action button, and perhaps not surprisingly, a suite of new AI-powered features. Chinese Weibo-based leaker OVO Baby Sauce OVO, a relatively new source of supply chain leaks, said on Tuesday that the new color code for the iPhone 16 Pro models is simply rose, not the previous rose gold color that Apple first offered back in 2015 for the iPhone 6s. According to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are expected to be available in black, white or silver, gray or natural titanium, and rose. Kuo's prediction mirrored an earlier rumor from the same Weibo source, claiming that the existing blue titanium color will be dropped from the iPhone 16 Pro lineup in favor of a new rose titanium color. The latest is from a Korean publication, the Elec, which published an April report saying select iPhone 16 models are poised to adopt an innovative screen technology, resulting in thinner bezels or the frame around the phone's screen. This development could translate to a slightly larger screen area for some iPhone 16 models, although it's not clear which models. Display analyst Ross Young suggested earlier this year that the iPhone 16 Pro models will have larger screens, putting the sizes at 6.3 inches for the iPhone 16 Pro and 6.9 inches for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That rumor was later corroborated by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, who said the iPhone 16 Pro models could grow by a couple tenths of an inch diagonally. In March, Apple Insider published a collection of photographs purportedly displaying 3D printed dummy models of the rumored iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. The images revealed that the iPhone the 16th of May have a vertical camera stack as opposed to a diagonal one and an action button, similar to the one on last year's iPhone 15 Pro. Both the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max could both have 5x telephoto lenses next year. According to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, a tetraprism lens will make its way to both Pro models next year, as opposed to just the Pro Max model. Apple equipped the iPhone 15 Pro with a 12-megapixel 3x optical zoom, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 12-megapixel 5x optical zoom camera, which is the equivalent of a 120mm lens on a full-frame camera. Another change that could make its way to iPhone 16 displays is greater power efficiency. Samsung Display is apparently developing a new material set dubbed M14 specifically for Apple, according to a The Elec report, which says the new technology should arrive on iPhones launching next year. There will be 4 iPhones in the new series, it seems: iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. I believe all will go on sale on the same day, and I think that will be the Friday of the week after the unveiling, that is, Friday, September 20th. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.